Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby K here from Pip Syndicate. How you guys doing, man? It's Friday night. The market's closed, so I want to talk to you guys about a real estate transaction that I just did. Okay, I've always been a big belief that if you're trading and you're successfully trading, you don't want to keep your money in the market and keep it at risk. Okay, I say that because I see guys all the time telling people like about prop firms. Okay, I never traded with a prop firm. They have too many rules for me. They don't suit the way I trade. I just don't want to be bothered with them. I know they're just going to piss me off. But if I did, I would never advise somebody. If you take a nice win from a prop firm, guys, I see guys all the time advising people to take that money and put it in their personal account. I wouldn't do that, guys. You should find another place to invest your winnings, besides back in the market. It's very risky to market, and there's other places you can invest, like real estate. I stumbled onto this group. I've been a member of this group for about a year. I didn't do anything with it until like 2 months ago or 3 months ago. I really started taking it serious. And I finally bought my first property. Okay, I want to talk to you about the numbers on the property. I have all the contracts and everything. I was going to show them here, but I'm really not comfortable showing them here because I already sold the house, and it has the address of the house, and it has the guy's name, and I don't really know how to, what do you call it, black it out on the screen and all that stuff. So if you want, what I'm going to do is, if you fill out this form, if you're interested in joining the group, I'm going to describe the group in a minute, and I'm going to put a link to this page. And then all you do is you just fill this out. And I'll send you the first email will be everything you need to know to get into the group, okay? And I'll send you the link to join the group if you want to join. If you're interested in investing in real estate. This is the best way to invest in real estate, guys. I'm going to go over the numbers in a minute. I plan on trying to get 3 of these houses a year for the next 5 years, 3 or 4 a year. Or at least at the end of 5 years, I want to have 10 or 12 of them. And I think you're going to see why when I go over the numbers. Okay. I don't have anything to show you guys, but I'm just telling you exactly. I'll tell you what the numbers are. And if you want to see the actual contracts, I do have them. I'll attach them to the email. Okay, when you fill out the form. So I bought the first property was $28,000. Right? It was actually $28,500. Okay, I paid cash for it. Now inside the group, you can a lot of the times there's guys selling them. They offer them with financing. They show you ways to get financing and stuff like that. But I wanted to do the first one. I wanted to pay cash because I don't want to be worried about paying anybody a loan. I wanted to go through it, learn how to do it, and not be worried about owing anybody money. But now I would have no problem. I just filled this property last week, so next week I'm going to start looking for my second property. I might do one, with a loan, or if someone's going to hold a mortgage in the group. But anyway, then it was $28,500 actually for the house. I ended up paying $28,630 total with closing costs. Okay, I turned around and sold it. It took about 6 weeks to sell it. Sometimes they sell in like 2-3 days. Sometimes they say give it 3 months. Figure 3 months the longest. It took me 6 weeks to sell it. Okay, I sold it for $800 a month. Okay, on a 30-year mortgage. Okay, $69,800. $800 a month, $69,000, 30-year mortgage. Okay, do the math on that. Let me get my calculator. Okay, we got $800 a month. All right, times 12. Okay, so that's $9,600, right? The first year. Plus, I got $2,500, $2,500 down payment. Okay, I'm gonna explain that in a minute because I only got half of that. So that's $1,250. So that's $10,850 the first year. So in 3 years, right, you're going to have all your money back. You'll be in profit. It's a 30-year mortgage. So let's times that by 30. That's 288,000. I don't know if you can see that. 288,000. You can't see it. It's not picking it up. Anyways, 288,000 at the end of the loan. Okay, if you got 30,000 sitting in the bank, how much are you going to collect on that in a year? I don't know, probably $3 or something, right? I mean, I don't even know, but it's nothing. You know, you're not going to get 33% back in a year, which is about what it comes out to, about 33%. Okay, guys. Now, the way this worked is I bought the property. I bought it in, and then I put it to the group. Inside the group, we have people who market the properties and fill them. Okay, they're investors. They're members of the group, and they make extra money by marketing the properties, filling them. They put a lockbox on there for me, and they sold it, and they get half the down payment. That's what the down payments are small, usually $3,000, $2,500, $3,000. I guess $5,000 the most. And the selling prices for these houses, we're trying to buy houses between, I would say, like 20,000 or no low end, whatever. But the houses have to be livable. And I don't know, like 30, 40,000. You can do whatever. You can do whatever you want. It works the best. The model is 30,000, and if you borrow the money, you're borrowing 30,000 at 12% for 5 years. And so you're going to pay it off for 5 years, and then you're going to collect for another 25. That's the model he teaches. Okay. We also have guys that'll go look at the house before you buy it. They call them boots on the ground. They'll go there, take pictures, stuff like that. Everything you need. Okay. This house I bought was in Illinois. I've never been to Illinois. I had somebody go there, look at it, send me pictures, put a lockbox on it. Then I had the team sell it for me. The closings were all done on the computer. The way it works is I hold it. The title is still in my name. It's a performing title. So when the mortgage is paid in full, the title gets put in the buyer's name. Okay, it's all explained in the group. There's videos in there. We meet once a week with the guy that runs the group. The guy that runs the group has something like 250 houses, something like that. Maybe just shy of 250. There's another guy with 200 and something. This guy, Joey. There's another guy. I don't know. This guy's with like 120, And it's the coolest thing I ever seen, man. I've always been interested in real estate. But, I mean, this is just the way these guys have it all set up, man. It's just an excellent thing. And if you guys wanted to get involved, I wanted to share with you. There's no affiliate link or anything. But if you fill out this page, I'm going to put it below this video. If you've been interested in real estate and you want to join a real serious group that's not a bunch of baloney, then this is it, man. Right, it's not free, okay, obviously, but it's worth every penny, man. And if you're a young guy, man, I'm telling you, if you do this for 5 years, man, you'll be in a situation where you don't have to work, man. You may not be driving around in a Lamborghini or anything like that, but you're going to be free, man. You're going to be free. You know what it's like just being free, man. It's amazing. Me, I haven't worked in 10 years anyway, but it's just the point that I want to get like 10 or 12 of these in the next 5 years, and then I'm headed over to Southeast Asia. But that's my plan. Everybody has their own plan, man. But I think you should take a serious look at this, guys. We're gonna build this. We're gonna take our earnings from the Forex. Okay, we're trading every day here at 9 o'clock. Okay, we won every trade this week. I think we took like 8 or 9 trades. We won every trade. And we're just, I trade different. I'll make another video about that, or I already made a video. You can go look at the one about my 96% win rate. It's all real. It's all the real deal, man. And, I'm not selling anything. I'm not here to scam anybody. It just is what it is, man. I'll trade live every day in front of people, man. So, and now if you want to see these contracts, I'll show you the contracts. I have the contracts. I just don't want to put them up here. It's not, you don't just make a video and put people's contracts, people's names and addresses, stuff like that, you know. And it's a pain in the neck for me going to black them out and all that. So if you want to see them, I'll send it. I'll show you the contract, and you know, I'll just show it to people one at a time. You know, I'll include it in the email if you want to see it. But anyway, guys, just wanted to get this out there, man. This is the plan, and it's a five. I'm gonna call it the 5-year plan, bro. 5 year to freedom, something like that. And that's exactly what it is, man. And if you want to come on that journey with me, please like and subscribe to this video, guys. And join us at 9 o'clock every weekday. And set the notifications, because sometimes I'll be coming on in the afternoon trading and stuff like that. And you want to get all the notifications when I'm coming on to take a trade. All right. Join the Facebook group, guys. I put the updates in there. And that's it, guys. I just wanted to make this video to get this out there with this real estate thing, man. I'm really excited about it. You know, I already got one done. I'm already bringing in $800 a month. I know it's not a ton of money, but $800 a month for doing nothing. I'm not plunging. I'm the bank, man. I'm not plunging toilets. I'm not painting. I'm not fixing anything. You know, I'm like Chase Bank now, bro. You know, you just send me the money. If you need something fixed, call somebody else, man. You know. But anyway, guys, that's it. Thanks for stopping by, man. Thanks, guys. I'll see you Monday morning. Okay, it's Friday night. I'll see you Monday morning, man. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, man. We'll hit the charts. All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by, man. God bless you guys. Have a great weekend on purpose. And I'll see you Monday. Cheers, guys.